If your games are lagging or stuttering for no reason, your system is likely wasting resources in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that using a powerful tool called BleachBit. It goes deep into your system, clearing hidden junk files, freeing up RAM, reducing CPU usage, and making sure your games get all the resources they need. Let's get started and clean your system the right way.
What's worth it with the lag and high ping while you play games? So that you need GearUp Booster. This is the ultimate tool to lower your ping, boost stability, and give you zero lag. Pro players like Asian Jeff and Polarized use it to stay ahead. So why not you? Download GearUp Booster now from the link in the description and dominate every match.
Once you download and install using the link in the description, open BleachBit for the very first time. You'll notice its interface is clean, simple, and focused. It's built for users who want no-nonsense control over unnecessary clutter on their system. On the left side, you'll see a categorized list of cleanup targets, each representing a specific part of your Windows system or installed software where resources are being silently wasted. These categories let you remove temporary files, outdated logs, and leftover data that Windows doesn't clean up on its own. For gamers struggling with inconsistent FPS, input lag, or background stutters, BleachBit becomes a powerful tool to free up critical memory, CPU cycles, and storage bandwidth that games rely on. Let's start with the deep scan section. This feature digs into hidden corners of your system where standard cleanup tools don't reach. It removes old thumbnails like thumbs.db, leftover temp, and .back files created by applications, crash dumps, and even macOS metadata like .dsplar that can sneak in if you've used an external drive with both Mac and Windows. These files serve no purpose once generated and can quietly slow down file indexing, game launching times, or even loading screens. Cleaning them allows your system to redirect its read-write bandwidth towards gaming processes instead of scanning junk data in the background. Next, we move to web browsers. BleachBit supports cleanup for all major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Internet Explorer. These browsers often run background processes that continue syncing data, tracking sessions, or preloading content, even while you're gaming. Inside each browser section, you'll get options to remove cache, cookies, history, form data, session logs, and even crash reports. Selectively cleaning these components frees up RAM and reduces unnecessary background activity, which is essential when you want every last drop of performance going to your game. Just be cautious. Avoid selecting the saved passwords option unless you're sure you don't need them. They'll be permanently deleted.
To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS.
Under System Cleanup, you'll find general Windows-level options that affect background processes and performance. This includes clearing your clipboard, deleting diagnostic logs, cleaning out memory dump files, and removing the junk left behind by failed or completed Windows updates. These can take up gigabytes over time and slow down disk operations. By removing them, you reduce system overhead and prevent background indexing or scanning during gameplay, which helps achieve a smoother experience, especially on HDDs or older SSDs. The next section is Windows Defender and File Explorer. While not directly related to gaming, this cleanup reduces unnecessary tracking data and cache buildup from your OS. For Windows Defender, you can remove old scan history, error logs, and quarantine logs that are no longer needed. For File Explorer, BleachBit can delete recent file history, thumbnail cache, and quick access records. This improves load speeds and responsiveness when opening folders or saving game files, and can even reduce micro lags when games autosave or write logs. Before you go ahead and clean everything, BleachBit gives you a smart option, Preview Mode. This shows you what will be deleted without actually removing it. You'll see the total space that can be reclaimed, a breakdown of every file path, type, and estimated size, and a category-by-category count of affected entries. This preview is extremely helpful if you're unsure about deleting a specific file or want to double-check that no critical directories are included, especially useful if your PC is shared or used for multiple tasks. For added performance and security, BleachBit also includes powerful shredding options. If you've ever deleted game installers, video recordings, modding files, or sensitive work documents, remember that these can still be recovered. With shred files, BleachBit overwrites deleted files with random data, making them unrecoverable. Shred folders does the same for entire directories, and shred paths from clipboard allows you to paste any location and wipe it securely. The most impressive part is wipe-free space, which overwrites all the empty space on your drive where remnants of deleted files might still exist. Not only does this prevent file recovery, but it can also improve disk consistency and ensure smoother streaming of game files directly from your drive. That's it. Your PC is now cleaner and ready for smoother gaming. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one.